My name is Lacey Elizabeth, and today we are filming on location. We are here in a beautiful park in Marc, Ontario. It is autumn, it's fall, like the colors, everything is inspiration right now. So I thought, let's film on location today. So I'm taking you guys with me. We're gonna create this amazing eye look today. This is the beautiful Marc Jacobs Cherryrific palette, which is part of his holiday collection. And I'm so excited to film this for you guys. So let's get to it. This package is stunning, like, you know, Marc Jacobs, everything, right? Like, I mean, the cherry, it's the color, it's everything. This is gonna look amazing as part of my collection. This is beautiful, I love this. So I'm just gonna open this up. Just like that, that is the colors. I think this is gonna make an amazing fall eye look. I definitely want to do something smoky, something sultry, something fall, and I'm living for this palette right now. These colors are gorgeous and I love it. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in with the color Delicious, which is this dark beige color right here. We're going in with a MAC 248 brush. So I'm literally putting this in my crease. This will be our transition shade. And then bringing it down into the front, that inner corner. I'm taking my Scott Barnes number 62 blending brush to blend that out. So we're just going to take that blending brush and we are just going to blend all the way into the inner corner, all the way out. Blend, blend, blend. Just like that. I'm gonna take the E4 brush by Makeup by Mario, and I'm gonna use that one to dip into our next color. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and it's called Extra, and we're gonna use that to deepen our outer crease. Oh, that color is beautiful. That is stunning. So I'm gonna apply this to the lid. I'm actually gonna go in with 3/4 of the eye with that color. I'm gonna make sure I've got quite a bit on my crease here, and then I'm going to smoke that out. I'm going in with the exact same Scott Barnes 62 blending brush. We're just gonna blend with circular motions just to blend that out, smoke that out. That is a stunning shade. Just like that. I'm now going in with the color on top, which is the last color right here, which is the darkest color in the palette. Tapping it off. And I'm just going in here to my bottom lash line. And I'm gonna bring this up to smoke out the eye just a little bit more. Just like that. I'm going in with the same blending brush, and we're just gonna blend that right there and take that up and out, smoke that out. this so far is absolutely stunning and I'm loving this. I'm gonna go back into Delicious, this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that on my inner corner. I'm gonna go in with that exact same MAC 248 brush that we used in the very beginning. These are so pigmented, I absolutely love it. I'm just gonna go into my inner corner and I'm just gonna bring that color into that nice plum. That's stunning. Okay guys, I'm gonna go in and apply these exact same colors to the other side and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline mascara. This is the Falsies Lash Lift. This is the waterproof mascara. I did a video on this in Niagara Falls on location, so if you haven't seen it, check it out. I'll put a link somewhere. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna throw on my mascara and my eyeliner, and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario liner and I'm going to line my waterline, and this is the brown one. This is called the Perfect Brown and I love this liner. I just smudged in my liner around my lips. I'm gonna go in now and I'm gonna use that brand new Fenty Gloss set. I'm gonna go in with the color Cake Shake by Fenty for the Holidays collection. That is so nice. This is the look. What do you guys think? I love it. I think it's beautiful. Marc Jacobs did an amazing job. I love the palette. Remember, I've got a huge giveaway coming up this Friday. Yes, so if you want to take part in that, all you need to do to be entered is subscribe to my channel, click right there, and follow me on Instagram, click right there, and comment down below on any one of my videos. Remember guys, hit that like button, smash that notification bell, and subscribe.